Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve too many requests on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve too many requests on CapCut, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to CapCut. When you will find this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end you can go to your Wi-Fi, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and then you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.